Welcome everyone, today we're gonna spot the difference between a real versus fake Labubu. There are many fake ones in the reseller market. Can you guess which one is real and which one is fake? Let's spot the difference. The fake Labubu is darker shade on the box. On the top of the box we can see the real one has the logo while the fake one doesn't. In the real box we can see some rainbow reflections while in the fake one these don't appear, and it also doesn't have the glossy effect finish. The popmart logo is also placed lower on the fake Labubu. Texture on the box feels different, real one feels softer. On the real Labubu, the back of the box has a QR code while the fake one doesn't. The real Labubu is extremely easy to unbox, while the fake one is extremely hard to open. The real one comes with the card outside the bag to reveal which Labubu it is. It also includes a desiccant bag. Some fake one bags don't have the logo on top of the bag. This one does. The bag looks the same, looks similar, except the fake one is really hard to open. The real Labubu will have a QR code in them you can scan to authenticate it's a real one on the popmart website. Some of the fake ones don't have this, some will, but won't scan on the website. You can see the clear difference in the quality of the cards that show real versus fake. The texture is also different, and the real one has rounded corners while the fake one doesn't. The head is rotatable on both. The fake Labubu can also rotate their feet 360 degrees, and the real one can only turn slightly. The keychain letters are backwards in the fake ones. Of course, there are some better fake ones that show the logo very similar to the real one. The real Labubu will have 9 teeth. Some fakes are easy to identify with this. Other fakes also have 9 teeth. The popmart logo on the feet looks different. The color of the feet is different. The shape is also different. Their hands have different colors too. The cheek color is darker on the fake Labubu and placed higher. They have a seed Labubu you can test with UV light on the feet. Real versus fake is also different size, but popmart has some quality control issues lately where the size vary a lot. Scan the code on the popmart page to authenticate. I hope this video helped you identify a real versus fake Labubu. Have a great day!